Tap on the compass to expand it. Tap the plus sign or long press an app, both of which can access the edit menu for customization. Multiple apps can be opened through the compass. Press and hold the blank area at the control bar to move the free window. Press and hold any corner to zoom the free window. Tap the split screen button and select left or right split screen. A list of applications appears on the other side. Press and hold the slider in the center to adjust the size. Tap the switch button, left and right side split screen content switching, or you can click on window to go back to the free window format. Open the control panel in the sidebar. Long press on the app with the blue corner marker. Drag to different areas of the screen. Release on the left or right to respond to split screen operation. Before using the screenshot function, we can start by clicking on top. Click on Screenshot to place the screenshot directly on the whiteboard. The free window is placed on the top level and can be dragged and dropped. Click on the pen to continue explaining or drawing on the screenshot. Flip the tip of the pen to use another brush. Select Text Pen. Through OCR technology, handwriting is turned into standard fonts. Select Shape Pen. Graphic contours will be automatically optimized. When we are explaining the content, we can use laser pen. Ensure that the original data is not corrupted by new handwriting. Select Magic Pen. Sketch can be changed into various pictures. Press and hold an empty area to move the canvas. After selecting the content generated by the sketch or Magic Pen, click on the Creative AI. Write anything on the whiteboard. Select your handwriting and click on Quizmaster. Select different grades, categories, and number of questions. AI will generate appropriate questions based on what is written. Generated questions and analyses can be placed directly on the whiteboard. Open the aerial view to see the full contents. Press and hold the blue box or click on different areas to change the view. Enter annotation mode by touching the screen with a pen. Writing with a pen while controlling the screen with your hand. Tap Save to save the current annotation and the screen to the history. Tap Edit to put the screenshots in history on the whiteboard. Let's go back to Launcher and enter to annotation mode again. When tapping on Snapshot, the background turns into a picture as the base image of the annotation. Now, we can continue to annotate on this image. When we can't find our pens, tap on finger writing to complete the annotation. Turn off finger writing. It means to restore the function of controlling the screen with finger. In the past, we needed to enter characters via the keyboard. Now we just need to tap on the input box with our finger. Writing with a pen, the handwriting is automatically entered into the input box. Then tap the search button on keyboard. Use different gestures to trigger different commands. Gesture details can be found in Settings, General, Gesture Interaction, Camera Gesture. Enable Voice Assistant function in Settings, General, Voice Assistant.
稍烂. Go back to home page.
Tap Sidebar, AI Functions, Circle and Scan. Circle the content you want to search for. The recognized text and similar related images will be displayed here. Selected text can be searched or copied. The contents will be displayed in the browser on the right side. Tap on the related image to view information about that image. This interface allows you to adjust the speech and translation language, and different audio sources and caption display. This is the bottom format. can be switched to the top right corner or display full screen. Press and hold the center button to adjust the layout. Tap on Font to adjust the font size. Open AI QR. Press the left microphone for voice input. AI will answer your questions. For the content of the response, can tap Copy or Insert into Whiteboard. When inserted into the Whiteboard, the content of the AI response is displayed in the text box. We can give in-depth explanations on the Whiteboard.